Now we're trying to figure out how to get this off. This part here. There went my light. Is it a pinch or is it a turn? Looks like a pinch. Looks like we'll have to pinch it somehow. Well, I think I'll just do this. Yep, I think I'll just do that. And well, I gotta be able to hold it, guys. Push that down until it stops. Now, I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna get that back in there. I'm going through here, also working through the speaker hole. Never mind those stupid connectors. Well, that was easy enough. Just set the ball into its catch and then slide the adapter into the groove. Now we need to go up here. And I mind you guys, when we put this back in, we want to make sure to get this adjustment right when we set it back in here. Never mind the shakes. I've had coffee this morning, have not yet had breakfast. And let's do this. I got to have both hands, so be right back. There we go. Got that back in place and got that guy snapped into there. It's pretty tight. It's a snap-in fit right here. It's a snap-in fit. So you'll have to get both fingers in behind there, intertwined, kind of like so. That's the best you can see there, and get it pulled in. Now let's see. Well, that's a pull. It is enough to drop the catch. Let's find out. That one ain't doing it. That one done it. There you go, guys. Inside latch works.